All right, so for our part two of protein digestion, we're going to be looking at the transfer into our cell and transfer to the blood vessel additionally. So before we looked at how we were digesting our proteins going from mouth to stomach, and this time we're going to be looking a little bit more at the small intestine. So we have the lumen of the small intestine, which is the outside of the small intestine, goes to our enterocyte cell. So this will be our enterocyte cell, and then we have a blood vessel running parallel to this. So we have our blood vessel here, and we are taking our amino acid, and this is also reliant on the sodium that's outside the cell. So with the help of two of our sodium molecules, we are able to bring this via transporters and bring our amino acids into the cell. So we're able to take these amino acids into the cell, and then we have our di and tripeptides. And with the help of hydrogen, we're able to use our PEP1 transporter and bring these into the cell. So we're bringing our di and tripeptides into the cell additionally. And then we also just have a concentration gradient here of bringing sodium into the cell with our NH3 transporter and taking hydrogen out of the cell. So this is a concentration gradient that is important for the transport into the cell. So then we are using our peptidases, which are our enzymes in this situation, and these are going to act on our amino acids. And this is going to use the facilitated diffusion via different transporters to get these amino acids out and into fusion. So our basolateral transport of amino acids is going to get these into diffusion. And then this is also dependent on our sodium, potassium, and ATPase. So we are able to use 3 sodium and 2 potassium that go into the cell, and our sodium goes out with the help of our Na plus, K plus, ATPase pump. And this helps regulate the facilitated diffusion of amino acids into the blood. So just important to realize how we are able to transfer from the stomach to the pancreas, and additionally with the help of our small intestine. So this is going to be used as our secondary active transport, and we are able to sort our proteins, and our liver ends up sorting the amino acids and determining their fate. But just important to look at our protein synthesis and how we want to complete amino acid to get our amino acids into the blood and used for energy. But yeah, it's all about proteins, and yeah, that's it for this video project.